Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to go save a betta fish today. Come along with me. We're gonna go to the pet store and make a new home for a new friend in the house. So this is the current setup we have. I got this fish tank off of Amazon, which it's pretty nice. It comes with a filter, a heater. It came with a couple of pebbles, but I also went and got some more. This is supposed to be pretty good for plant growth because I also want to have a lot of live plants in here. So today we're going to get a couple more live plants and then also the betta. I'm also on a mission to find a stick because I want to have a good piece of driftwood to kind of lay across. But honestly, I've been finding stuff in the stores and online and it's not the right size. They're all like too small or way too big. We're just gonna go out and find a stick. Try to like clean it and purify it, but I feel like it's gonna be okay. And I do recommend, like, you can find a lot of pieces, the wood, even rocks outside. Instead of buying things online, it gets pretty pricey when you can just go outside and find nature.
Chop that off.
Yeah, we can cut it off if it's too big. But I think it's perfect. We found the stick. I think we're gonna go with these two. Betta secured. So I got the betta fish. I gotta think of a name. If you guys have any names or any idea of a name, he is a male and he's pretty colorful and pink. So I don't know, write them down in the comments if you have any suggestions for names for him. But I also got a banana plant, but it's supposed to be like a buddy for the betta. It's got two more leafy guys, and this one's a smaller fern. I also got this kind of solution for the water itself to help purify the tap water to make sure that everything's good for them, and some fish food. We should be ready to go. We're going to clean up that branch to make sure that it's purified. I heard online that we have to boil it first, like scrape all of the bark off, and I'm gonna sit it in the solution to help. I also have this like startup solution, and I think that will help to let it all sit in the tank with the plants and the water for about 24 hours, and then I'll put the betta in the water.
Five hours later. 10 hours later.
Oh, he's like playing with the food right now. So I actually decided to name the betta fish. I think I'm going with Finn. Phineas is the full name, but Finn for short, because he's so cute. And I liked him because of his fin colors. So we're going with Finn. And we're placing him in the tank now. So I hear you gotta get them to adapt to the temperature first. So we dunked him in, and he'll be in there for maybe an hour or two. And then we'll release him and see if he enjoys the home. So there's also, it came with this light, the heater is going, and also, you know, the filter. Honestly, this is a really good kit. I'll link this in the description. For a starter fish tank, this one was pretty good. It came with everything I needed. Nope, don't jump out. Stay in there. Journey home. Look at him.